Hey, it's Daryl Roberts with another episode of Quick Picks. You remember Quick Picks is a short version of how to find out more about Roberts Land Development Center. Today, Ms. Darling, who is our gardener extraordinaire staff member, will talk to you a little bit about the project we have going on around gardening. Ms. Darling, how are you?
I'm good. Yeah.
Good. When we met you a couple years ago, we talked to you about being our gardener. Tell me what you thought about it then and what you think about it now.
It was a wonderful opportunity. I wish you could see the picture of what it looked like before. It was a blank slate, and I was excited to be able to grow. And now I just want to keep growing stuff and put things in that I won't have to plant over and over again. That will just last here for years. That will just keep growing.
So tell us why you started this and the purpose behind it.
Because health is life. So when your body is healthy, mental health, physical health, social health, economic health, all those things will make you have a better quality of life.
When we were talking about this, it was about educating our kids.
Yes, education, yes. And so growing, so a lot of times people are facing food insecurities. And so when they're able to know how to grow their own food, they're able to access organic, healthy food.
Around us are different plants that you've grown, and we're going to have some pictures that they'll see on some of the early years. Tell us about these particular plants.
Okay, so this is one of my garden hacks right here. So I got these are beans, and I got these beans actually across the street from Grocery Outlet. I just got a bag of beans, and the beans are the seeds, so you plant them, and then you get more beans. And we also have, this is from Miss Claudia. She had a marigold, and she wanted me to plant it, and now it's flowering again.
Got it. What about these?
So this is chard. This is a volunteer plant, so I didn't even plant this or sow the seed, and it got very big. It's actually huge. So this plant, so big.
You have some other plants here. Why don't you tell us about your plants?
So another one we got here is aloe vera. So this is really good for the skin and for the hair. We have parsley, which is good for like pastas. Cilantro, that's for like salsas. We have mint, which is going to get super big. We'll be able to make mint tea. Kale. We have thyme, which is really good. I distributed this to staff members. They make tea out of it. We have sage, which is good for bundles if you want to smudge something to clear the energy. We have sunflowers, which are just beautiful. The bees come. They love it. We have oregano, green onions, and rosemary.
You have quite a number of items that are in your garden. So as you think about what's next in your garden?
I really want to grow, we were just talking about, I really want to grow trees, because fruit trees, that's something that will come back, and it provides a lot of oxygen to this area. So people have told me that they want avocado trees, so I'm going to get avocado trees. They're growing, they're about this small right now, and I want to get lemon trees, because I can imagine RCC lemonade.
Gotcha. That's a good thing.
Yeah,
I like that. Tell me, how could somebody get involved and help you out in the future?
What's been really helpful is compost. So, because compost is what makes things tasty. So if you taste something, like I did an experiment where I had a tomato and it was just plain dirt, and then I had a tomato that was in compost. So both of them grew, and the tomatoes that were in compost tasted so good. So compost, having food scraps, things that are left over, what we eat, putting them into the soil will have our food taste even more nutritious and tasty.
Cool. So if somebody were interested in getting, all they do is call 916-646-6631 and just ask for Ms. Darling and leave you a message if they were interested, right?
Yes, and then we'll get up a compost collection getting started. And we also want to distribute these herbs, because herbs food is medicine. So some of these herbs like mint and rosemary, they're good for headaches. And oregano, thyme. Oregano is really good for your immune system, especially in the age of, the time we are. Oregano is really good for your immune system.
Well, thank you. I got a few lessons a day in a very short time. So I guess Quick Picks works on that.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you very much, Ms. Darling.
Awesome.
We appreciate you.
Thank you.
This is Daryl Roberts and Ms. Darling. Next time we'll see you on Quick Picks. Peace.